Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nana's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Y'all know I always come and bring y'all deals, not things, Lord. I'm sorry. Bring you all deals on Wednesdays. But for last week and then also this week, we've been having some snow. And I usually don't like driving in the snow because I had a bad accident in the snow before and it kind of messed up my back. I have back problems. So I really don't like driving in the snow, but I went ahead and I bought you all this today because I had to go somewhere. I had to go out and I had to go to this place. But, so I was going to try to do a $5 challenge, but I went over the $5 like I always do. So this is even over the $10 challenge. It's just like $11 challenge. That's what I got today is $11 challenge. Okay. It's the first time I have a hit, with the 00 behind the number. Okay. So, but I want to tell you all, let's pray for Texas because Texas is not used to snow. Now where I live here, we're used to snow, but we don't like the snow because it gets crazy here when we have snow. But we want to pray for Texas, all right? So let everybody take a moment and pray for Texas. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you all this deal, okay? So there is, on this card, I try to do one of those deals that we had got I think it was a 2 off of 12. If anybody was trying to get that link, go to Mississippi Beauty. I think it's what her name is, Mississippi Beauty. She has that on her community page, the link, and all you have to do is click on it. It doesn't take a long time for the survey, and then it will actually give you the 2 off of 12 and just tell you to add the coupon. Okay. But I didn't do it. I didn't get to get it on this card on my daughter's number. I tried, but it wouldn't do it. So I was fine. But there is a deal that is, if you spend $8, you save $2. Okay. And it's only like either 3 or 4 things that you have to buy, but it's $8 and more and you save $2. So it is right here, the Caress, the Suave, and the Vaseline. The Suave is $1. Okay. This is $1. The Caress is $4. And then the Vaseline is $3.50. Okay. But you have to get over $8. So that's why I put this this Suave in here to make it go over the $1. I think I was short almost like 50 cents. So there was a 50 cents off digital coupon on the Caress. The Suave didn't have no digital coupon. And the Vaseline Advanced Repair there was $1 off Vaseline. So all of those 2 coupons attached also, and my $2 digital did come off. The next thing, the Degree Men is $1.85. There is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach for this, and this is the small one, and it's for $1.85. The Degree, it is $1.85 also, but there is a 75 cents off digital coupon that did attach to this one. Okay. The next thing is this Airwick. This Airwick is, it is $1.65. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that did attach. Then the Playtex. The Playtex Sport is, how much is the Playtex? It is $3.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach to this. So made that $1.50. And then the last thing, well, it's not the last thing, but the Nivea. The Nivea, the price went up. It is $4.15. There is a $2.50 off digital coupon that attached to this. Now, there is some manufactured coupons for Nivea, which I'll be using those probably this weekend when I do my 5 off of 25. And then the last thing, the Valentine's Day. The Valentine's candy at the store that I went to is, I think it said it was 50% off. I can't remember what it was, but the candy, it rung up, let's see how much the candy rung up. 75 cents, okay? The candy rung up 75 cents. It was, I think it was $1. I think that's how much the candy was, $1. So I think it was 25 cents off. So it rung up 75 cents, okay? So after everything rung up, all the digitals came off, and then the instant savings from the Caress, the Swab, and the Vaseline came off. My subtotal was $11. Yes, $11. And that's not bad. I mean, if you want to do this deal and then also add some more stuff, add a little bit more stuff to do your 5 off of 25 if you got all of these digital coupons, which is good. You just have to add just a little bit more to make it $25 because my total savings was $11.25. So let me show you my receipt. There's the Nivea, the Vaseline, the Playtex, the Airwick, the Swab, which the Swab doesn't have a coupon, the Caress, both the Degree men and women deodorant. And then if you don't have to get the Valentine's sticklets, because that's what it is, the Valentine candy that is on sale. My subtotal, there it is, $11. And then my total savings is $11.25. All right. And then I got a 5 off of 25 that's coming off for the 20th. Okay. So y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nana's channel.